God showed me, he said, son, I'm disappointed in you because you should be further. You should be way further than where you are, son. 80 million, son, you should be doing that. Son, what are you doing? Not that you're not doing some good stuff. He said, but you know, your problem is not your enemy. Your problem is the people you love. You are not where you're supposed to be because you still.
What's good with it, gang, man? We coming back with a banger, man. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, man. We ain't even at the crib. We out here in these streets, man. Here to get these little essentials before the time start. You know what I'm saying? Before the time start, because we can't be out here running around when it's time to trade. We got to stay focused, you feel me? Get back to the crib real quick, hop on these charts, draw up these zones, you know what I'm saying? And y'all already know what it is that we looking for, bro. We do have to go ahead and watch out for today. Today is a Wednesday. Little bro just motherfucking notified me and told me that today is, not today, but this week is NFP week. I wasn't even paying attention to it, man. You know what I'm saying? I was just going ahead and doing the strategy, staying focused with the strategy and doing what that calls, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, it seems like every day we coming up, but I did not pay attention to NFP week. So on Friday, we're going to go ahead and look at NFP and see how everything plays out with the strategy. All right, gang, so we back up at the crib. We about to hop on these charts now. I'm looking at it, and like I said, we're a little bit lagging. It's 7:05 in the morning, the 5th of February. I get on the charts, and we didn't even do our support and resistance zones, and we did not do our supply and demand zones, which the supply and demand zones are those boxes that we draw off every single day, gang, every day. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna show y'all how we do that again. All right, gang, so we here up on the chart. And what it is that we're going to do is, you see prices all the way over here, but we still need to go ahead and make our support and resistance zones, which are the black lines right there. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go over here to our tool section, and we're going to find a horizontal line, right? There go horizontal. We're going to go over here. Right now, we're at 2880. So our next jump is going to be 2890. Okay, so we're going to go right there. Put that right there. Go find another one, right? We got to get another one. And then we're going to come back over here, and we're going to go to 2900. And look how price respects that. You see that? You know what I'm saying? That is simple. That's all I got to do. However, we are going to go up one more because we don't know if price is going to break these highs right here and continue to go up to the upside. So what it is that we need to do, let's see, we need to go and go to 2910. Okay. Good enough. 2910. Okay. Next, what it is that we need to do, let's go ahead and zoom in on this baby. You feel me? Let's zoom in on that bad boy. Right. Okay. The next thing we need to do is we need to find our early morning zones and our late morning zones, right? Okay, so I think that is going to be right here. So I do believe that this is it, or this one is it, or I think it's this one. So we're going to go ahead and mark that off, right? Boop, boop. And then we also need our late morning zone, which is going to be somewhere around, I don't know, gang. Right here. Okay. So, as we can see, right, we have price playing in between these two zones. I also just mentioned that it is Wednesday. So we have to be careful, because what happened last Wednesday? Last Wednesday, we lost $550 bullshitting on a Wednesday. If we lose today, Wednesdays are out of the fucking picture. I'm telling y'all that right now. So we end up trading Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. But Wednesdays is going to be a no-go. See how price is kind of like, it's pulling down? Sideways motion. So if we end up taking a sell, right? Sideways motion, we take a sell here, and it pulls back up. If it pulls back up here, we're going to be in the negative. However, though, we do want it to pull back down here, pull underneath, and then continuation probably down here. But because it's Wednesdays like that, Wednesdays be slow days, consolidation days, it could move that day if we have enough volume in there. You know what I'm saying? So it could move on Wednesdays and stuff like that, or Thursdays. It's like a hump day. You know how everybody go to work Monday through Friday? Monday comes in, don't nobody want to go to work and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? On Monday. Wednesday come in, everybody is kind of getting excited. You know what I'm saying? They getting used to the work week now by Wednesday, but they getting excited because now it's hump day. It's the middle of the week. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with the market. So the market got midweek reversals. So like you're looking Tuesday or Monday, Tuesday, you got buys, and then Wednesday will come around. You still think that it's a buy because you're looking for 3 pushes or whatever, 3 touches. So you still thinking that it's a buy on Wednesday, but it doesn't. It pulls back on the overall time frame. You know, the market needs to go up, and then it needs to breathe, and then it needs to go up. Wednesday on a bigger time frame, Wednesday is that pull down where it needs to breathe. You know what I'm saying? And then Thursday, Friday, it will continue to go up to the upside and then reverse at the end of the week or something like that.
Making it through. Got the bag, got the team, they respecting the crew. If it's pressure, we gon' slide. But I got nothing to prove. I'm a smooth operator, keep the vibe in control. Every step calculated, I'm just playing my role. From the booth to the block, yeah, I'm setting the tone. You can bet it all on me, yeah, I'm locked in my zone.
7:15 gang. And y'all see where we at. Now if price go ahead and break these zones, y'all already know we're looking for it to go here. If price goes above these zones, y'all already know we're looking for it to go there. That's simple, gang. Alright, gang, so it's 7:19 on the 5th of February, and look at the market, gang. So we end up having a break. So what it is that we're possibly looking at is that this could be a sell down, motherfucker. Alright, so we could possibly take a sell down to these levels. We got a break here. Hopefully it stays up in here so we can continue to take a sell to at least right there. And yeah, man. Let's see what it do. Should we take the trade early, gang? 720 gang. Y'all know about them Versace's. Yeah. Alright, gang, so we ended up not being disciplined again. We took the trade a little bit early in FOMO, so it's 722, and we're down $100, gang. You know what I'm saying? I took it because y'all see the break, but however, though, this is going to show you guys that if we take the trade early, this break could be a false break. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see. I'm only trying to go ahead and take it to right there. And yeah, man, we're going to see where it goes. It looks like it's struggling at these levels, though. So that's where it's kind of scaring me at. But yeah, let's see if it goes. 723, gang. All right, gang, we got 5 minutes, man. Now look what we're down, 250. This is a bad trade, horrible trade. Y'all see that we took it 5 minutes early? This is horrible. And this is the reasoning why. You know what I'm saying? This is the reasoning why we need to stay inside the times, because you can get faked out. You see how I got faked out? I thought that was going to drop, and look, 310. Oh man, gang. Yep, we're gonna get taken again probably. Let's see. Hey gang, 728. We got 2 minutes and we're down 240. Price needs to stay underneath the zones, underneath this zone, that one, and that one, in order for this to be a valid in the next 2 minutes. Let's see. All right, gang, we got 1 minute and we're down. Let's see, gang. 1 minute. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Oh, look at it. 300, 310. 1 minute. Oh, man. They're taking us, aren't they? They're trying to, man. 1 minute. Come on, gang. Let's see what they're going to do for us. Tell them to take us to the promised land. 7:30, gang. Let's see. 7:30. I'm not liking it, gang. I'm not liking it. Let's see. Let's see. We come back at 7:30 right now. We come back to... Almost close that bit. 771, gang, and we down 50. Let's go. Tell them to take us to the promised land, team. Let's go. Tell them to take us to the promised land. Let's go. Alright, gang, so it's 7:45, man. And look where we at. The promised land. Tell them, man, that we blessed, man. Tell them that we just stayed focused in the strategy, man. We believed in ourselves, man. Even though we took the trade early, right? We stayed in it, right? Because we were underneath our support and resistance zones. Also underneath our supply and demand zone. So that is the reason why we stayed in this, man. And because we did stay in it, we ended up going to the promised land. Yes, I did get out a little bit early, but who cares, because we made a bag off of that little move right there. So I didn't care about the profit land because I took myself. I built a boat and took myself to the promised land. You hear me? No, I'm just bullshitting. But yeah, no, she real though. Video gonna be like 2 minutes long, but whole time though, because I was late with uploading yesterday's video, I need to upload this one within the next couple hours.
That bitch broke the back line now. It did broke the blank line.
Yeah, but it didn't break it.
Oh, it did?
So nah, what a break will be a full candle going through it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So like,
stem.
right. So you see that full candle, the body of that candle is through it. That's a break.
And not the stem. Okay,
Not the stem. See, you see this one right here?
Yeah.
That's a full break of that one. You see this one right here? Yeah. That ain't no break.
That's the stem.
That's the stem, and you saw it reverse back. You know what I'm saying?
Right, okay.
You know what I'm saying? It reversed back. All right, LMB. So basically, man, when you come to the charts, right, to remove your emotions, you have to come with a plan. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all get what I'm saying? You have to come with the plan. It's just like the game of chess. I don't know how many of you guys play chess, but I play chess. You know what I'm saying? And inside of the game of chess, you have to have a strategy. You have to think ahead of your opponent. So when I play chess, I'm sitting down, I have my opponent across from me, and we're just sitting down. Before we sit down, depending on this type of person that I'm playing, I have 15 moves strategized inside of my head that I'm going to move before we even start the game. 15 moves. Don't get me wrong, I might have to tweak it a little bit because my opponent might make a move that, you know, that doesn't fit inside of my strategy. So I might have to alter it a little bit so that way it accommodates for his move. Do you get what I'm saying? That's the same way that you want to do when you come to the market. When you have a strategy, when you come towards the market, you know, and you follow your rules, right? You will eliminate about 90% of your emotions, at least 85, you know what I'm saying? But 90% of your emotions, for me at least, you know, I might get up in here and I might say, oh yeah, you know, we're down X amount of dollars, $300, you know, like, man, come on, you guys got to take us to the promised land. I might be saying that because yes, I might be going around in my emotions, but I stay inside of my trade because I have a strategy in place and I just trust my strategy. And because of that, it took us to the promised land today. Yes, we took the trade early, so we were outside of the rules, taking the trade early. But because of certain things, we did not break support and resistance. We did not break supply and demand. It allowed for me to stay inside the pullback, so that way I'm able to profit. And because of we stayed inside the strategy, we were able to profit. And now look, another profitable day. So you guys need to find you guys a strategy that is sustainable to be profitable every single day. Once you get that strategy, then you need to go get a trading simulator and you need to back test the strategy on the trading simulator. Once you get the confidence, then you can go live. And then your emotions won't be there as much as if you going into the market blind without a strategy. Yes, you guys can know what trend lines are. You guys can know what market structure are. You know what price action is, but how is it that you are approaching? I'm approaching the markets based off of time and price. Another gem for y'all. But today was a profitable day. We done for today. We're going to come back tomorrow. Sorry for the late uploads. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.
I know what I deserve.
Big
I've been
Turbo
grinding since
Energy,
young. The
boy.
fact that the losses made
Big
it out the
Turbo
slum. Ain't nobody gave me none. Had to get it on my own. Now they see me in the light, trying to claim me as they own. I know what I deserve. I'm a king of my lane. I ain't settling for less. I done overcame the pain. From the trenches to the stars, yeah, I hustle not the same. I know what I deserve. You can't tell me a thing.